Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance issues so you can get back to cooking without the hassle. Today, we're tackling the KitchenAid Induction Cooktop Error Code F47, specifically for 2025 models. If you've seen this code flashing on your screen, don't panic, it's a common issue, but we're here to guide you through it step by step. First off, what does Error Code F47 mean? In KitchenAid Induction Cooktops, F47 typically indicates a problem with the internal temperature sensor or a potential overheating issue. This could be triggered by excessive heat buildup, a faulty sensor, or even issues with the cooktop's ventilation. It's the appliance's way of saying, hey, something's not right, let's cool down. Now, let's talk about possible causes. One common reason is that the cooktop hasn't been properly ventilated. Make sure there's enough space around your unit for air to circulate. Another culprit could be residue or spills on the surface, which might interfere with the sensors. In some cases, it might point to a more serious electrical problem, like a malfunctioning control board. Alright, time for troubleshooting. Start by turning off the cooktop and unplugging it from the power source for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can often clear minor glitches. Once it's reset, check for any visible obstructions or dirt on the surface and clean it thoroughly with a soft cloth. Ensure the cooktop is installed correctly and not blocking any vents. If the error persists, test the cooktop on a lower heat setting to see if it's related to high temperatures. If you've tried these steps and the F47 code keeps appearing, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose if there's a hardware issue that needs repair or replacement. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never attempt to open or fix electrical components yourself if you're not qualified. There you have it, folks. We've covered the basics of Error Code F47 on your KitchenAid Induction Cooktop. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!